Are you tired of working for someone else or having to ask for a day off? Would you like the freedom of having your own business? Do you love pets? My name is Beth Fosnock and I own Pet Watch Professional Pet Sitting Service in Cumming, Georgia. I can show you how to create and run a successful pet sitting service. Over the past 14 years, we've grown to represent 30 sitters. We have over 1,500 clients in the North Atlanta area. We were voted the best pet sitting company in North Georgia in 2006 by Lanier Magazine. I've been invited to teach seminars on all aspects of pet sitting at the national conventions. And I coach pet sitters all over the country. Our clients love what we do. They often call us after a successful sitting just to tell us how much they like our sitter. If you would like the freedom of running your own business and have a passion for pets, call me, Beth Fosnock, at 770-887-7930. That's 770-887-7930. You can take control of your life and make your dreams come true. Your passion for pets and I can help. I look forward to speaking with you.